Honda prepares for the triumphant return of the legendary CB400 Four. In the world of motorcycles, few names command the same reverence as Honda's CB4 series. First introduced in the early 1970s, the original CB400 Four broke conventions and captured hearts with its inline four-cylinder engine. Its elegant café racer styling and smooth, high-revving character made it a favorite among purists. More than just a motorcycle, it was a statement. Lightweight, agile, and refined, the CB400 Four delivered big bike performance in a package that was easy to handle, helping to define an era of accessible sport riding for a new generation. Over the decades, the CB lineage has evolved but always carried the DNA of Honda, engineering precision and a passion for building rider connection. Now, after years of silence, Honda appears ready to reignite the fire. Whispers from industry insiders and early concept leaks suggest that a new CB400 Four is in development, and this isn't just a tribute, but a bold reinterpretation. The modern CB400 Four is rumored to combine retro aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. Imagine a classic round headlamp, 4-in-1 chrome exhaust, and timeless red livery, paired with LED lighting, digital instrumentation, and advanced rider aids. Early renderings evoke strong nostalgia, while promising modern-day reliability and rideability. Honda seems poised to deliver a machine that honors the spirit of the original while meeting today's expectations. If this launch materializes, it will not only revive one of Honda's most iconic badges but also reaffirm the brand's dominance in the mid-sized retro motorcycle segment. For vintage enthusiasts and modern riders alike, the new CB400 Four could be the perfect blend of soul and sophistication. The legend is back in action, and the streets are ready. Stay tuned for more exciting news about the future of technology, only on Mitamoto. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.